we are in Turkana, and here we have sunflower. We are smelling nice, good fragrance and sweet smell. So good people. Nani anaweza believe tuko Turkana? See, at this background we have sunflowers. Very soon Turkana tutakuwa na shida ya mafuta. Mafuta ya mboga sorted. Chakula ya mifugo sorted. Everything iko sorted. Yeah. Even what vegetables we have here. Shachoma. Na imeweza sweet like lemon fresh flower. lemon fresh flower. They're here for us.